Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add page numbers to any PDF file, completely free and super easy. For example, I have a PDF file here and I want to add page numbers to every page. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, go to the I Love PDF website. I've added the link in the description below. Then, drag and drop your PDF file into the upload area. After it uploads, you'll see different settings for page numbering. You can choose where to place the page number, top left, top right, bottom center, and more. Then you can adjust the page margins to precisely position the numbers. You can also choose the starting page and decide which pages should be numbered. Next, you can add custom text for the page numbering if you want. Then choose and adjust the font, size, and numbering style. Once you're done customizing, click Add Page Numbers. Wait a few seconds while the tool processes your file. Then click Download PDF to save the file with the page numbers added. Open your Downloads folder and check your new PDF. And that's it. You successfully added page numbers to your PDF file for free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.